What's up, y'all? DJV. Another day on the bike. Beautiful day, as I can see. About to head back downtown. Meet up at the bike spot, Gsxr. See who all is there. See what it's talking about. Beautiful day, not too hot, around the 80s. Can't ask for no better weather. She just feels so good today. She feels so good. Ooh. Oh. I didn't care what that was. But yeah, man, beautiful day. Look at that mother. Beautiful. Since I've almost passed it every day, I'm gonna show y'all where I got in my wreck. That's the least I can do. Show y'all where I got in my wreck in 2020. Of course, every time I pass it, you know, it touched me a little bit. Sometimes. I'm gonna show y'all where it's at when I pass it. Ooh. Sometimes, like, I don't even, when I try to downshift, I don't even think it be downshifting. I don't know. Or I'll be losing track of my gear, what gear I'm in, but that's the only thing, like, I can't gear down the way I want to sometimes. Because it don't engage all the way. And that is part of me not having it really at 90 degrees, because you gotta have it at 90 degrees so it can move smoothly. But it's close to 90 degrees. I mean, it's not no big deal, but and on down the road, I'll tell y'all a full story of my bike wreck. I'll get the story out to the world. But yeah, man, we was like cruising at like 110, 120. This vibing right here. Mid-COVID, the peak of COVID, matter of fact. We, you know, we vibing just like this, 120, just cruising. And like right, I want to say like right here. Whoop, 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 whoop. This really happening right here, like in this area type deal. I can't know that. I don't know the exact spot, but it is around that area right there. Never forget. And it was, I blame it all on me. All on me. Yeah, so I didn't even shift gears that first time. But yeah, man, the Exxon is where everybody be meeting at. If you don't know, I know a whole bunch of other motor vlog people be meeting down here. I guess it's a tradition type thing now. It's been a tradition thing for years. Shit, ever since my dad started riding. But it's a good little vibe. Supposed to be me and my boy Kenny down here. See what he talking about. He probably want to race a little bit. Shout out to my boy Kenny. You know. Yeah, we're just chilling. man. Oh. No, that's you, man. That's you. That's you, man. Filled up, ready to get at it again, man. Getting dark, but we gonna see. Tap me in the knee. The road done tap me in the goddamn knee. God darn it. What the fuck? There's always something, man. Alright, we about to head home. Thank y'all for tuning in. JV, DVD JV. Nice little ride with the people. Y'all ain't gonna believe what happened though. I gotta show y'all when I get home. I am pissed. Again, it's always something. But I'm not mad at it. At least I got a ride in before it happened. But long story short, I can't even shift gears. Not even with the button. But thank y'all for tuning in. DBDJB in the building. Yes, sir. Now we out. We out. We out, man. Thank y'all for tuning in.